Hi everybody, this is Eliza in the country, and today we are going to review this product. It's a D110 label maker machine with tape, and it is from JadensxNiimbot. It is color white and is a label printer. It doesn't have an ink or anything like that. Okay, let's open it up. Actually, my husband got me this because he said, well, since recently I've been printing, labeling everything up, and he said, I saw that you label everything up and you love doing it, so I got you a label printer, which is this one. This is really cool, right? Okay, out from the box, we have this nifty little box. This is the printer. This is it, okay? And we have a cord, a charger, apparently. And we also have an instruction over here. Looking closer, we see that here is an on and off button in the front. And over here is a charger. And over here, we have the opening here. You can open. And you can see, oh, well, you can see this roll of label stickers. It's actually our stickers. Let me just roll that out because it fell down. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, so here in the middle there is the label of this kind of sticker, so you can order it, refill. Okay, let's go put back, and it needs to be facing down like this. The tape should be down like that, and you need to peel it up a little bit and then close it, because the instruction said that you need to peel at least an inch. Oops, I think I pulled too much. There it is, and close it like that. Okay, so after that, it's time to connect it to our Bluetooth, and you need to turn it on. You need to long press it like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can hear it. And when it's on, you need to connect to your Bluetooth. Connecting here is really easy because you can easily find the Bluetooth name. It's D110, and it's also shaped like a printer. You need to pair it up. There it is. Okay, now we need to type new. Ignore. I'm just gonna double click it. It says, okay, let's type in Eliza in the country. Okay, we need to make it bigger. You need to confirm that one, and oops, I can do that one. And oh, you can line it up. You can do this one and line it up too. You can also make it smaller. Think like that. So I think it's already inside that one. So let me just print it. Print. It's already connected. Print. Okay. It said it's too big, so I need to confirm it and make it smaller, like really small. Okay, how about let's make it like this and then make it bigger. Ooh. Okay, that one's good. I think that will be fine. Okay, we can underline it or italize it, but I think I'm gonna just bold it up. And I think that will be fine. And then you have an option here to save and print. And we can print it up. Okay, so you can see it's a little bit off, but let me try that again. Let me just remove that one and try to print it up again. There it is. Oh my gosh, this is really cool. Now I have my label over here. It's really cool. See that one? And you can actually save it and print it again. There's an option here to print how many do you want. Okay, print it again. It's really cool, right? I can just do this. And the good thing about here is this one is not smudging. It doesn't smudge. See? It's really glossy. And that's what you can get. Okay, and also there is an option here where you can actually like add images. Like let's just see here, element. You can add an image, choose from albums, got to allow. You can scan a barcode. Let me just print this other one, which I got a barcode in it. Print. That's so cool. So you can see there is this one. And there's a barcode in it. I just make my name smaller and there's a barcode in it. So this is a really cool label maker, which is really nifty and I really love it. And if you love labeling stuff like I do, then this is really cool for you. It's around like $20, $23. It's on sale, I think. My husband got it around $26 or $23. It's really cool. If you want to know how I connected it to my phone, then you can hang around for the next slide because I'm going to show you how I connected this to my phone, because you definitely need to connect it to your phone before you can print anything. You need to install the app and follow some instructions. So just hang around and we'll see how I did it.